I first realised that perhaps the perimenopause was happening to me when my periods became irregular. That was very unusual for me. And alongside that was the brain fog that people talk about. Very bizarrely, I have experienced a few sort of muscular and bone aches and pains, and I found that really strange because it certainly wasn't through going to the gym. And it was only when chatting to a couple of girlfriends at a lunch recently that apparently that's one of the symptoms, actually having these aches and pains. I've actually not spoken to a doctor or any health professionals regarding menopause or perimenopause, but I think just having that awareness now in my mind, I feel more confident. I feel like I will actually approach the doctor, maybe when things get a little bit worse than they are now, because right now it feels manageable. I try to make sure that I get enough sleep. I try to exercise a few times a week. I'm also trying to be aware about the amount of processed foods, the amount of sugar, refined sugar that I have in my diet. I find I'm much more in tune with what I need. So I need to get sleep, I need to eat healthy food, I need to drink more water, and I find that my body responds in kind. The kinder I am to it, the kinder it is to me. I've not been impacted in the same way as, say, some friends that I know at QVC. So I haven't had the hot flushes, I haven't had to worry about that side of things. But I guess it's just that feeling that things are slowing down a little bit. So for me, I'm just trying to make sure that I take really good care of myself, really invest in good food, exercise, time in myself as well. I think that's one of the best gifts you can give yourself, is actually the time to take care of you.